Hello everyone, this is Lauren and I'm going to do a quick demonstration of the Discord server that we're going to be using for Cinema Terrible. So hopefully everybody should have gotten a link with the link to this video that will take you to the Cinema Terrible text channels. And so we do have a couple. You'll see one is welcome and general discussion. The other is what are we watching next? So you're welcome to jump in and have a discussion there. So for our event though, on Wednesday, we are going to be in the voice channel. So I'm going to demonstrate that in case you haven't really used voice channels in Discord very often. It's really easy to get to it. I'm going to send y'all a direct link to it. But once you're in, or if you're in the Discord server, all you have to do is just click on the Cinema Terrible Screening Room channel. And when you do that, you will see your icon underneath it with your name. And if you notice while I'm talking, there is a green circle around my icon. That is just the notification or the method that Discord uses to let you know that we can all hear you talking. And so one of the first things that I'd like for you to do is double check your setting, because if you do leave it on this mode, which is just voice activated, if there's background noise, we'll all be able to hear it and it will be a little bit disruptive to the experience. So what you'll want to do is once you're connected, go ahead and go to the bottom of the page and you'll see your icon and your name. Go to the user settings, which is a little gear on the right. And you'll want to go to voice and video. And if you notice there's a section that says input mode, it is on voice activity. We want to switch to push to talk. So go ahead and click on that. And then what you'll need to do is set up a shortcut key that you're going to press when you actually want to talk and be heard on the server. So when you're heckling. And so I have mine set up already, but you should be able to click on it. It'll say, stop recording when it's active. So you just pick your key and then you're all set. And then I did want to mention that normally when we're watching videos we don't have our cameras on, but if you'd like to have a discussion afterwards and see everybody's faces, we can definitely have a discussion all in voice and video, and it pretty much works the same way. And so you can set up your camera with that, and I'll just click on the test video, which it's very dark. But anyway, so that's the biggest thing, is to set it up to push to talk. And then if you notice while I'm talking, it's not picking up my microphone. So if I want to heckle, I just press my shortcut key that I just set up and you'll see that green circle again. So then you'll be able to be heard. So the other thing that I want to show you is I'm going to be sharing my screen. So let me set that up really quickly so you can see what that looks like. You may not see the screening room. You might actually have to click on it. Like if you notice by my name, it says live. And so you should be able to put your mouse on that and it should give you a choice to click on it so that you can watch the screen that I am sharing. And once you get into that, you should be able to just double click it. You'll see the screen here. And of course you can make it bigger by tapping it one more time, so that way you can watch it full screen. And again, if you want to heckle, all you have to do is press your hotkey so that there's the green circle around your icon and we can all hear you, so you can say your wonderful witty things that you'd like to add. And then you can just, of course, take your finger off the button when you are done. The last thing that I'm going to show you is how to hang out, because it's kind of like a phone call. So if you notice, it does say voice connected, and then there is a disconnect button. So all you have to do is click on that and then you're out of the channel. So again, I just wanted to thank y'all, and hopefully this little short tutorial is helpful if you're not really used to using Discord. I'm really looking forward to seeing everyone on Wednesday and heckling, and see everybody soon. Bye everyone.